In this guide, you will learn how to fix Roblox error. Roblox encountered an unexpected error and memory dump captured. First, open the search bar on your Windows and type run, then press enter. In the run dialog, type sysdm.cpl and click OK. In the System Properties window, go to the Advanced tab. Then click on Settings under Startup and Recovery. In the next window, select Complete Memory Dump and click OK, then apply the changes. Next, go back to search bar and type Settings. Open it, navigate to Privacy and Security, then go to Windows Security. In the Windows Security section, click on App and Browser Control and scroll down to find Exploit Protection. Click on it and make sure to turn it off by selecting Off by Default. Then under Program Settings, add a program to customize. Locate your Roblox installation on your desktop. Right-click on it and select Open File Location. Find the Roblox Player beta file. Click on it and scroll down to find the option for Hardware Enforced Stack Protection. Turn it off and click Apply. After that, scroll down to Control Flow Guard and disable it. Click Apply and then restart your PC. Once your PC has restarted, open Roblox and it should work without any issues. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.